Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from Tech Updates. I just received the Rode NT-USB mini microphone and I'm very excited to unbox it. So let's start. So this is the original box. Okay, so it looks like I'll have to take off the seal here. And so this is like regulatory and safety, small book, and here is the quick start guide. This is the microphone here. So what I'm thinking of is to maybe slide these boxes out, or maybe not possible. Yeah, maybe put everything upwards like that. It's like this. This is this magnetic connection here, so it was just like this. And these are empty. And this is the cable. Looks like one end is USB-B and one end USB-C. This is also a connection. So if you want to connect the microphone to like another extension or something, you can take this out, and you can put this one as an adapter, and then you can connect it to other bases, basically, other connection types. Now, this cable is actually a USB-B, USB-C cable, as you can see here. And what is interesting is that there are still, well, it's not like a really new microphone, but currently, like many new laptops, let's say if you're using a laptop, have like all USB-C connection or USB-C ports. So then you would need like to get an adapter for that. But the connection to the microphone itself is USB-C. And actually, yeah, so this is the connection to the USB-C port. And if you have like cable USB-C, USB-C, then you can also connect directly to your laptop, but then without using this one, like with your own connection cable. I'll take this out for now. Hi everyone, this is a sound test to compare the Rode NT-USB Mini with, let's say for example, the laptop Dell XPS 179710. Now you're hearing my voice through the microphone of the laptop Dell XPS 179710. And soon I'm going to connect the Rode NT-USB Mini to the laptop, and then we'll also record my sound through it. Hello everyone, this is a test of the Rode NT-USB Mini. Now you're hearing my voice through the microphone that has been connected to the laptop, and the laptop is the XPS 179710. Previously you have heard my voice through the microphone of the laptop, and now you're hearing my voice through the Rode NT-USB Mini. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Do you think it's much better? Would you prefer to buy it and use it? Or would you like maybe to stay with like the basic microphone that you may have, maybe the laptop or like your headphones microphones? Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos.